Hey, what's up, Gearheads? Welcome back to Gearhead Nation, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who live and breathe horsepower, luxury, and cutting-edge design. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the world's most insane rides. Today we're stepping into pure automotive royalty, the 2027 Cadillac Celestiq. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece that redefines what ultra-luxury electric mobility can be. Let's get into it. From the moment you lay eyes on this beast, you know Cadillac has gone all in. This is the Celestiq, Cadillac's flagship halo car for 2027, and it looks like it drove straight out of a futuristic dream. Check out that aggressive stance. Massive carbon fiber accents everywhere you look, from the front splitter to the rear diffuser. The bodywork is sculpted like liquid metal, with those dramatic lines flowing from the long hood all the way back to the sleek fastback rear end. It's got this perfect blend of classic Cadillac elegance mixed with brutal modern aggression. Those wheels? Absolute monsters. Massive multi-spoke designs finished in that striking gold and black combo that pops against the elegant silver-gray paint. They fill the arches perfectly and give the car this planted, ready-to-attack posture even when it's parked. And speaking of parked, imagine pulling up to that cliffside villa overlooking the ocean. That's the exact vibe this car was built for. It doesn't just park, it owns the entire scene. Up front, the illuminated grille with that bold Cadillac crest commands attention. Slim LED headlights slice across the fascia like laser beams, flanked by aggressive carbon fiber air intakes that hint at serious cooling for the electric powertrain underneath. The hood has these subtle power bulges and character lines that catch the light just right, making the whole front end look wide, low, and incredibly imposing. Swing around to the side and you'll notice the dramatic roofline with that massive panoramic glass roof. It's not just for show, it floods the cabin with natural light, while those integrated LED light bars add a futuristic touch. The side mirrors are sleek, almost blade-like, with integrated cameras and turn signals. Every panel gap is millimeter perfect, a testament to the handcrafted nature of this vehicle. Cadillac is building these in extremely limited numbers, and each one is essentially a rolling work of art tailored to the buyer. The rear is where things get really wild. That full-width light bar glows with that signature Cadillac red, stretched across the entire back end. Massive carbon fiber diffuser, quad exhaust-style outlets, even though it's electric, they kept the drama, and that prominent Celestiq badging. The rear spoiler integrates seamlessly into the fastback design, and those muscular haunches give it a presence that makes other luxury cars look soft. Now let's talk about stepping inside, because this is where the Celestiq truly separates itself from everything else on the road. Open those massive doors and you're greeted by illuminated door sills that proudly display Cadillac in glowing script. It's the kind of detail that makes you smile every single time you get in. The interior is an absolute symphony of materials. Quilted leather seats in this beautiful light gray tone with gold stitching and accents. They look like they belong in a private jet. The front seats are thrones with perfect bolstering, massage functions, and that Cadillac crest embroidered right where your head rests. Rear seats are just as luxurious, with enough legroom for NBA players to stretch out comfortably. The dashboard is a masterpiece of modern design. A massive panoramic digital display stretches across the entire front, complemented by additional touchscreens for the passenger and rear occupants. The steering wheel feels premium in your hands, thick leather-wrapped with intuitive controls and that glowing Cadillac emblem at the center. Real wood trim, carbon fiber, brushed metal, and Alcantara everywhere you touch. The ambient lighting system creates this calming, high-end atmosphere that changes colors based on your mood or driving mode. Center console? It's a floating work of art with crystal-like controls, wireless charging pads, and enough storage to keep your entire lifestyle organized. The materials are so soft and tactile you almost don't want to touch anything. Yet you can't help running your hands over every surface. This cabin is quieter than a library at midnight thanks to extensive sound deadening and active noise cancellation. You're basically in your own private sanctuary on wheels. Now let's get into what powers this thing. The 2027 Celestiq is all electric, of course, but Cadillac didn't hold back on performance. We're talking dual or tri-motor setups delivering somewhere north of 600 horsepower and insane torque available instantly. 0-60 amp in under 3.5 seconds while still delivering that silky smooth luxury ride. The battery is massive, giving it an estimated range well over 300 miles on a charge, with ultra-fast charging capability that can add hundreds of miles in minutes. But this isn't about raw speed alone. The air suspension system reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, delivering a magic carpet ride whether you're cruising down the highway or carving twisty coastal roads. All-wheel drive gives you confidence in any condition, while the torque vectoring makes this big luxury sedan handle like a much smaller sports car. Inside, the tech is next level. Ultra-high-resolution displays, augmented reality navigation that projects directions right onto the road ahead, advanced driver assistance systems that border on full autonomy, and a premium audio system that turns every drive into a concert. Voice commands are lightning fast, the infotainment interface is intuitive, and integration with your smartphone is seamless. What really sets the Celestiq apart is the customization. Cadillac's design team works directly with buyers to create one-of-a-kind vehicles. Want special paint that changes color and different lighting? Done. Unique interior themes inspired by your favorite destinations? Absolutely. This car is built to be as individual as its owner. Pricing. This is ultra-exclusive territory. We're talking starting prices well north of $300,000, with fully optioned examples easily pushing $500,000 or more. But when you're getting handcrafted coach-built quality with cutting-edge EV technology, it's almost a bargain in the world of hyper-luxury. The 2027 Cadillac Celestiq represents everything great about American luxury moving forward. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's technologically advanced, and it doesn't apologize for being exactly what it is, the new standard in ultra-premium electric vehicles. While other brands chase minimalism, Cadillac went for drama, presence, and pure indulgence. Whether you're a collector, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the Celestiq demands attention. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. A rolling piece of automotive art that proves luxury EVs don't have to be boring. If you could spec your own Celestiq, what color would you choose? What wild customization would you add? Drop your dream build in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want more content like this, make sure you're subscribed to Gearhead Nation with notifications on. We cover everything from hypercars to hidden gems and everything in between. Big thanks for watching this deep dive on the 2027 Cadillac Celestiq. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, share it with your fellow gearheads, and let us know what car we should cover next. Until next time, keep chasing that perfect drive and stay legendary. This is Gearhead Nation signing off.